Okay, we wrote this one when I was down in Gitmo, also Guantanamo Bay, and it's for a couple of my favorite people on the face of the earth, Joe and Lori Marcelino. Lori was a flight surgeon down there, and Joe was the manager of the McDonald's. And somehow or another, they got together, and just an absolute beautiful couple. We lost Lori a few years back to breast cancer, but still, this is kind of one of my favorite songs. It's called Barn Owls Under the Bridge. Way up the river they call Guantanamo, just at the point beyond where Marines say we can go. There lives a beautiful couple on an iron ridge. They're out of place, but they fit in. They are the barn owls under the bridge. Her name was Lori, his name was Joe. How these two ever fell in love, well, we'll never know. They skinny dipped in the midnight sun. They didn't need any urging. He said, marry me. She said, I do. Now she's a pregnant flight surgeon. They are the barn owls under the bridge. There's always laughter wherever they go. The barn owls under the bridge. Lord, keep them together, our Lori and Joe. They're moving away to live in Newport. I hope Joe gets a job. Lori needs a support. She better lose some weight real soon, or Joe's hair will turn gray. Will they have another kid? Well, just ask them and they'll tell you no way. They had a lot of them. They are the barn owls under the bridge. There's always laughter wherever they go. The barn owls under the bridge. Lord, keep them together, our Lori and Joe. Lord, keep them together, our Lori and Joe. I love you guys.